morning, students. Today we will study mathematics of class 7th. Now, third chapter, that is HCF and LCM. Now, in our previous video, we have seen what is the full form of HCF and LCM. The full form of HCF means highest common factor, and full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. Now let us see what we have studied in our previous video. Now in our previous video we have studied, that is, prime number, co-prime number and twin prime number. So today we will study factorizing a number into its prime. Now today we will see how to factorize a number into its prime number. Now for factorizing a number into its prime, we have to study the Euclid rule. Now according to the Euclid rule, you can write any composite number as a product of its prime number. What the Euclid rule says that any composite number can be written as the product of a prime number. Now there is a two method of doing for finding the prime factor. One is using factor tree and another one is using a division method. Now see the first one, using factor tree. Now by using the factor tree, we have to find out the prime factor of 36. Now by using here we are using a factor tree. So how you will find out the factors? Now we have to find out the factor of 36. So how you will going to find out the factor of 36? Now 36 is divisible by which number? Means 36 appears in which table? Now 36 appears in two tables. When? That is 18s. So 2 18s is 36. Now we have to find out the factor of 18. That is 2 9s are 18. And now we have to find out the factor of 9. That is 3 3s is 9. So what are the factor of 36? That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 are the factors of 36. Clear? So this is a method, this is a factor tree method. Now we have to see, that is, repeated division method. Now in repeated division method, what we are doing in the division, in the same way we have to do here. That is 36. Now we have to find out the prime factor again of 36. But how you will find out the prime factor of 36? By the division method. Now see, what you have to do is, now 36, this 36 is divisible by which number? Now while doing the division method, you have to take a smaller, you have to start with a smaller prime number. Now 36 is divisible by 2. That is 2 1s is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. You have to carry that 1 with 6. It will become 16. So 2 8s is 16. Now here our remainder is 18. Now 18 again is divisible by 2. That is 2 9s are 18. Now our remainder is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. That is 3 3s is 9. Now this 3 is also divisible by itself. That is 3 1s is 3. Clear? So what are the factor of 36? That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is a repeated division method. So the two methods are there for finding the prime factor. Clear everyone? But here we will use this method, using repeated division method. It is the easy method to find out the prime factors. Now see the example, how you will find out the prime factors. So here we have to find out the prime factor of 40. Now see how you will going to find out the prime factor of 40. Now here we will find out the prime factor by doing the division method. Now 40 is divisible by 2. Clear? Now while doing the division method you have to use the test of divisibility. Clear? So 40 is divisible by 2. Now why 40 is divisible by 2? Because there is a unit here, you have to use the test of divisibility. Now in unit place 0 is there, so that is why 40 is divisible by 2. So 2 2s is 4 and 2 0s is 0. Now our remainder is 20. Now we have to see 20 is divisible by what? Which number? 20 is divisible by 2, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0. Now 10 is divisible by again 2, that is 2 5s are 10, and 5 is divisible by itself, 5 1s are 5. So what are the factors of 40? Factor of 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Clear everyone? Like this you have to find out the factors. Clear? See the prime factors of 40. Now let's see the practice set 11. Now in practice set 11 what you have to do? You have to factorize the following number into its prime number, into its prime. Now we have to do the factorization of 32. Now how you will do the factorization of 32? Now 32 is divisible by which number? Again here we will use the division method for finding the factors. Now 32 is divisible by 2. 2 1s is 2. 1 you have to carry with 2, it will become 12. So 2 6 is 12. Now 16 is our remainder. Now 16 is divisible by 2, that is 2 8s is 16. Now 8 is divisible by 2, 2 4s is 8, and 4 is divisible by 2, that is 2 2s is 4. Now 2 is divisible by itself, 2 1s are 2. Now we have to write down the factors of 32. So these are the factors of 32, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Clear everyone? So like this you will solve your practice set 11. Now see the next sum, that is 208. Now here we have to find out the factor of 208. Now again by doing the division method, 208 first of all divisible by which number? That is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0, 2 4s are 8. 104 is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Now 52 is divisible by 2, that is 2 2s is 4. You have to carry 1 with 2, it will become 12. So 2 6 is 12. Now 26 is again divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now 13 is divisible by itself. 13 1s are 13. So what are the factors of 208? That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 13 are the factors of 208. Clear everyone? Got it everyone? How you will do? So like this you have to do the factorization. Clear? So you have to complete your practice set 11. Thank you students for watching this video.